All right, so we're going to take a look at how those different coefficients will change the graph. The most basic quadratic function is x squared, and that is graphed here in red. So that is our standard that we're going to continue to use. The blue one, light blue, negative x squared, it's just flipped over, right? So it's reflected in the x-axis. It's the exact same graph as the red one, just facing down. The green graph, 2x squared, so we have a coefficient greater than 1. We end up with a skinnier graph, right? It has the same minimum point here. It faces up because A is positive, but it's just a skinnier graph. And we look here at the fourth one, the dark bluish purple color. The coefficient A is less than 1, so it's going to be a wider graph. So A affects whether it opens up or down. If it's positive, it opens up. If it's negative, it opens down. And whether or not it's going to be a very skinny parabola or a wider parabola. Now let's see what happens when we change B. So we'll have x squared plus 2x. So in this case, we have moved the parabola over, and it has moved down. And if we go x squared minus 2x, right, it moves it the other way. So for the most part, B will move the vertex, our very lowest point or highest point if it's opening down, left and right. So now if we just take a second and change our graphs like that, right, we no longer have a B value. A is 1. Now we have a C, so plus 2. So that's this graph right here. It has the same width. It has the same y, or has the same x value for its minimum. It's just moved up 2 spots. Now for this one, negative 2, it's going to be this graph here. Right, it goes through has a y-intercept of negative 2, which is our value for C. So C gives us our y-intercept. A and C are the most descriptive. B is a little bit less so.